In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add add-ons in the new Google Forms. This is a useful skill whether you're creating a form for work, school, or any other purpose. Add-ons can significantly enhance the functionality of your Google Forms, making your data collection process even more efficient. So, let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll need to open up Google Forms. Make sure you're logged into your Google account for seamless access. You can get to Google Forms via your Google Drive or by simply typing forms.google.com in your web browser's address bar. Starting from a blank form or an existing one, both work perfectly. Today, we'll work from a blank form just to keep things straightforward. Once your form is opened, turn your eyes to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see three little dots, often referred to as the More icon. This icon is your gateway to a wealth of additional features. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu full of options. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Add-ons. Think of add-ons as apps that extend the capabilities of Google Forms. By clicking on Add-ons, you'll open up the Google Workspace Marketplace, which functions a lot like an app store. This marketplace is packed with various tools that you can integrate into your forms to make them even more robust. Now, you'll be able to browse through the marketplace. To make your search easier, there's a search bar at the top right corner. Enter a keyword or the name of a specific add-on you might be interested in. For example, if you're looking for an add-on related to notifications, you might type in something like form notifications to see relevant add-ons. When you've found an add-on that might work for you, click on its name to bring up more detailed information. Here you'll find a description of what it does and how it can enhance your form experience. If everything looks good, there's a blue Install button on this page. Click that, and you may be prompted to grant some permissions. These permissions could range from accessing certain details in your Google account to interacting with your Google Forms data. Ensure that you are comfortable with these permissions, as they are necessary for the add-on to function alongside Google Forms. After you've given the required permissions, the add-on will be installed, and you'll usually see a small pop-up confirming this at the bottom of your screen. You can now access this add-on at any time by clicking back on the More icon in your form and selecting Add-ons again. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new add-on to your Google Forms, opening a whole new world of functionality. Remember, these add-ons can help automate tasks, streamline your workflow, and even pull in capabilities beyond what Google Forms natively offers. Thanks for joining me today. Happy form creating, and see you next time.